Good afternoon, C-class students. It's Uncle William back for week number 8, lesson number 8. And today we're going to start Unit 7, Food and Drink. Everybody loves food and drink. Okay, today we're going to look at countable and uncountable nouns. Much, many, some, and any. And food and drink. What's your favorite food and drink? Do you like this food? Looks like Italian food. Delicious. Do you like this food? This is American barbecue. You got some potatoes, hamburger, tomatoes. Make your own hamburger. You got some corn here. They cook on the barbecue, on the grill. Okay, let's go to the next part. Conversation. Let's listen to the conversation between the waiter and the woman.
Unit 7, page 44, Conversation.
Here's your order, madam. Today's house special, beef Madison.
Great. It looks delicious.
How much beef would you like, madam?
A lot, please.
Certainly. Here you are. And here are the vegetables. Would you like some carrots?
Oh, yes, please. They look very good.
And some peas?
Just a few, thanks.
How many potatoes do you want? They're very good today.
Oh, well, I think I'll have, say, 5.
Certainly. Here you are, madam.
Oh, and do you have any bread?
Of course. Here it is. Would you like some butter?
No, thank you. That's fine.
Well, I hope you enjoy your meal.
What? Oh, it's not for me. It's for my dog. I'll just have a small salad, thanks.
Okay, maybe I'll put the video of that one up on my YouTube page if you want to watch that. It's a pretty funny video. Okay, and if you have your partner there, you can practice A, B, waiter A, woman B, and practice reading it. And you see in this conversation a few words like a few, some, and a lot, much. So let's go over here to the language box and let's listen.
Unit 7, page 44, Language Box.
How much beef would you like?
A lot.
How many potatoes do you want?
5.
Would you like some peas?
Just a few. Do you have any bread? Yes, a lot.
Okay, take a look at these words. Much, many, some, and any. We use much with uncountable nouns. See, beef, that's an uncountable noun. Another one, water, time, money. Okay, and we use many with countable nouns. We can count this noun: one potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes. How many apples? Okay. Anything you can count is a countable noun, and we use many. Some peas. Peas is countable. Just a few. That's for countable. Any bread? Yes, a lot. A lot is for uncountable. Let's take a look at page 108. Okay. Countable and uncountable nouns. You can see countable nouns are things we can count. 1 apple, 2 pens, 3 chairs, 4 books, 10 tables, 5 skateboards, 10 airplanes. And uncountable nouns are something we can't count. Beef, milk, time, money, a feeling, happiness, sadness. Okay. And if you do this, we can make some countable nouns uncountable. And for example, bread, jam, and milk are uncountable. But if we say a loaf of bread, that's countable. 2 loaves of bread, 3 loaves of bread. Jam is uncountable. But if we say a jar of jam, 2 jars of jam. Okay. Another one is pizza. Do you like pizza? Pepperoni pizza? That's uncountable. But you can say, I want 3 pieces of pizza. That's countable. Okay. 1 piece, 2 pieces. Okay. And we use many with countable nouns. How many potatoes would you like? How many oranges do you want? How many pieces of chicken do you want? I want 5 pieces of chicken. I'm very hungry. Okay? And we use much with uncountable nouns. How much rice would you like? How much water do you want? Okay? How much time does it take? Okay. In a positive sentence, we use a lot of rather than much. You see, this one, first one is a question, so we use much. But this one here is a negative. He does not. Not makes it negative. So we use much. But if it's positive, we use a lot of. Joe has a lot of rice on his plate. Joe has a lot of coffee in his cup. Okay? That's just for uncountable. We use some in positive sentences. Okay. I'd like some peas. Get this here. This is a plural countable. More than 1 peas. P is plural. So use some. And we can use it with uncountable. I'd like some water, please. I'd like some bread. I'd like some apples. please. Okay? And we can also use some in questions to ask for and offer things. Can I have some cheesecake? Would you like some fruit? Yeah, asking for cheesecake. Offering some fruit. Okay? And the last one is any. We use any in negative sentences and questions. I don't have any carrots. How do you know that's negative? Because don't. I do not have any carrots. And for questions, do you have any carrots? Okay. And it's the same as some. We use with plural, countable, and uncountable. Any, plural, countable, and uncountable. Okay, let's go to the next part. Complete the questions with how much or how many, and then match. And stop the video and do the work. Okay, let's take a look at the answers. How much water? Uncountable. Okay. Much? Uncountable. Many? Countable. And the answers? Okay. Next one. Complete using some and any. Go ahead and stop the video and do that. Okay, let's take a look. Okay. This one is any because this is negative. Don't. This one is any because question. And we can also use some there. Are there some eggs? But any is better. And this one you can use some or any too. Okay. So don't worry about this one if you don't do it right. That's very hard. And you won't see anything like that on the test. Circle the correct answers, much, many, and so on. Okay, let's take a look. Okay. Let's go back to page 44, page 45. And we have some vocabulary here. We have a lot of food, some sushi, tomatoes, chocolate, and so on. For this, you need to use these words in the box and Put one for each group of food. For example, the first one, we have pasta, potato chips, salad, and rice. How do these foods usually come when you buy them in the supermarket? Do they come in a carton? A jar? In a bowl? No, they come in a bag. Potato chips always come in a bag. Okay? So do the rest. And stop the video and do those. Okay, some of these are pretty hard, so just do your best. How about grapes and bananas? Can of soda. Box of chocolates. Slice of pizza. You can say slice of pizza or piece of pizza. Okay. But I think piece is for this one. Okay. Jar of honey. Okay. Bowl of soup. Okay, we won't worry about that because that's kind of confusing. But you can see this list here of countable nouns. All of these foods, which ones are countable? Potato, chips, grapes, uncountable? All of these. So that's a little hard and a little confusing too. So we'll just move on. Listen to this conversation and then try to complete the answers. Okay?
Unit 7, page 45, Real Life Exchange.
I'm going to go out. Do we need anything from the store?
Yes, could you buy some milk, please?
Sure. How much do you want?
Just one carton.
Okay. Oh, do we have any soda?
No, we don't. Can you get 6 cans?
Okay. And I think I'll buy some cheese too.
Good idea.
Okay, you can listen to that again if you need to. And the answers were... Okay. If you have a partner there, a friend, or sister or brother, you can practice A, B, and then practice conversation 1, conversation 2, and 3. Okay, let's end it off for today by going to page 123. Unit 7, contrastive stress. Okay, so let's listen first.
Unit 7, page 123, pronunciation.
Do you want 3 slices of beef? No, just 1, thanks. Did you get a large bag of pasta? No, I just got a small one.
Okay, so these words, 3 and 1, are the main differences between these two. These words, large and small, are the main differences. So when you read that, you want to stress these words. Do you want 3 slices of beef? No, just 1. Okay? So we can practice those a few times, and we'll leave you there for today. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you next week. Uncle William signing off. Goodbye.